What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video we're drawing Sasuke Uchiha from Naruto. Let's get started in the center of our page with the eyes. Now we leave a large gap in between. Let's start on the left side with a short angled line going up and out. Let's line this up on the right side and do the same thing. And then from the top we'll bend the eyelid going out and then down toward the side. Starting on the left and then bend that down, go to the right and do the same thing. Let's tuck the eyes in underneath the eyelid. Starting on the left, we're going to draw a half circle. Going down, and then up. Do the same thing on the right. And then we'll fill the pupils in black. Let's go underneath the pupils and draw a straight line going across. And then from the end, draw a short angled line going up and out. Now I'm going to move to the center, step down and draw in the nostrils. Leaving a gap in the center, draw one straight angled line going up toward the left and then the right side. And then from the nostrils, we're going to step down, draw a short line going across for the mouth. Just angle down the corners of the mouth towards the side. Now I'm going to go all the way up to the top and draw in the hair bangs. Let's start right in the middle. We're going to start with a point. From here we're going to curve up, bend that out toward the left. Go back to the center, curve up and out towards the right. Now I'm going to bring the hair bands coming down towards the eyes. Curving out and then down to right about there. Let's pull this back up along the side. Starting on the left, curve out, up, and then bend that in. And then from the top, we're going to step down, draw another hairband. Coming around the eye, down, and then in. And then again, we'll just pull that back up along the side. Just tapering this out, up, and then in. Now that we got the hair bangs, let's layer the headband in behind. We start on the left side. Just going to curve this down in the middle and toward the center, and then bend that back up on the right. Let's go all the way up to the top, curve this down, and then back up. And then we'll trace the top and bottom along the inside. Stepping down, just follow that same curve. Let's add that symbol in the center of the forehead. From the top, we move over towards the right. Just gonna swirl this around. Around towards the bottom, up, and then just curl that around. And then from the top right, draw a short angle line going up and out. On the left side, angle down and out, and then pull that straight in towards the bottom. Now we're going to draw the eyebrows tucked in underneath the headband, starting directly above the pupil. Curve this down and then in. Line this up on the right, going out and then up. Let's add some thickness. From the inside, we're just going to taper this out and up. And we'll fill the inside of the eyebrows in black. I'm also going to add a fold along the top of the eye. From the inside of the eyebrow, just going to curve this across and then out. Let's go back out to the side and finish off the hair. From the bottom point, we're going to step up, curve this down, and then bend that in. And then we'll pull this back out and then up along the side. Now let's move out to the side and draw the jaw coming down towards the chin. We're going to start on the left side underneath the hair. Curve this down and bend that in towards the middle. Round up the chin, go out and up on the right. And then we'll go back and continue drawing in the hair. Halfway down the side, just going to curve this down and in. And then again, just pulling this out and then up. Let's add one more point. From the top, out, and then down. Now I'm going to pull this up towards the top of the head, starting back on the left, go straight up. I'm just going to bend that in to right about there. Let's do the same thing on the right. Going straight up, and then bending that in. Now I'm going to add those spikes on top of the head brushed over towards the right. From the top left, let's step over, curve this up, and then across. Taper this down toward the top of the head. I'm going to curve this in the opposite direction, going out, and then up, and then tapering that back down. Let's continue over towards the right. Curve this up, then out, come down and in towards the side. Let's add one more point, going out, and then bending that back in towards the side of the head. Let's go underneath the chin and draw on the collar. We start over on the left side, start with a curve, coming down, just underneath the chin, and then pull that back up, and then we're just going to bend this out towards the side. And then on either side of the chin, we've got two straight lines coming down to the side of the neck. And I'll add some more hair along the side. Starting from the top, curve in and then down. Just taper that back up and in with a short line. Curve down and in toward the side of the neck. And then go up and in. Let's go back to the side of the collar. I'm just going to round this out, go up and in behind the head. Let's go to the side of the collar. I'm just going to curve this down and then bend that in. And leaving a gap on the side, we're going to add a fold. Starting back on the left, curve this down and then bend that up. Let's add a fold along the base of the collar. On the left side, we step up, curve this out, and then in. Go back up to the top, curve the shoulder, going out, and then down. And then come straight down to the side, just off our page. And that's pretty much it. There's Sasuke Uchiha. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. Make sure you subscribe and send me your requests in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again soon.